Hello and welcome back to Art Bytes. In this short video I'm going to show you how to use some simple measurements to help you draw the human face in proportion. Okay, equipment. You're going to need a piece of paper, a photograph to draw from, and a pencil. I'm going to do a quick drawing based on this delightful selfie that I took as part of a project for a class. So we're going to start by drawing a vertical line that will run down the centre of the face. You're going to want to pay attention to the angle of the face in the photograph, as that will influence the angle of that central line. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a mark for the top of the head and a mark for the bottom of the head. These are just guidelines, so you want to draw them quite lightly so you can rub them out later. Next, I'm going to draw a rough sort of egg shape or an oval. Again, this is an outline, it doesn't need to be perfect, you're just trying to get something fairly rough. After that, I'm then going to draw a line halfway across the face, and that line is going to be for the eyes. So halfway, around about there. So your eyes are halfway down your face, because remember that includes your hair up at the top. Next, the bottom of the nose sits roughly halfway between the eyes and the bottom of the chin. So another quick line there. The middle of the lips comes next, so that's not halfway, that's about a third. So I'm going to break this up into thirds. So the middle of the lips will be about here. Remember, these are guidelines, so that middle line of the lips in particular is likely to change. It might be slightly different depending on the shape of your face or even the expression you're pulling. After that, I then want to look at the eyes. So across that eye line, I should be able to fit in 5 eye widths. So if that's the edge of my face, I should be able to fit an eye in the middle, and an eye either side. So we've got that one there. This will be my real eye. There's a gap in the middle, and I'll then have another eye here. Okay, the final guideline is the ears. Now you can't really see mine in this selfie, but that doesn't matter too much because the guidelines again will be roughly the same, but of course again it varies. So the top of the ears will be roughly in line with the eyes, and the bottom of the ears will be roughly in line with the bottom of the nose. Now one of the things people often do here is they'll make the ears too big. Your ears are going to be quite narrow. Right, I've given myself some rough guidelines now. At this point, I can start to draw in the details of the face. So I'd normally start by changing the shape of that oval until it matches my head a little bit more accurately. So often I find with my head that the top half, because my hair's quite full, will be a lot larger than I normally originally draw it. At this point, I often also find it helpful to put in a rough kind of guideline for the basic kind of shapes of the hair. From this point, you could then work into this with paint or oil pastel or coloured pencil or any other kind of material, but this is a really good way of working out the shapes and sizes for your head.
If you've enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for listening.